Myanmar, Liberia, USA. Otherwise, there's no inches. No, 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 there's no inches. No inches, DIY. Hello and welcome back to No Inches DIY. Today, day 2 of the container project. While I was waiting for my GoPro to charge, I got all the measurements done. Alright, here I am, piece of 50 by 50 angle. This is going in the middle here. This is what both sheets of colour bond are going to attach to. If I've got these spacings right, the 2.4 by 1.2 sheet should fit in there perfectly. Both sheets should be able to touch on this, be screwed in with tech screws. Nearing the end of day 2. My hat was a little bit of casualty today, bit of singe. It fell in the leaf litter there, and the leaf litter caught fire. I wasn't able to jump down quick enough to save it. So what I'm doing next is these 2 rails across the top. I've clamped some timber up there for them to sit on, and I'll just get up, tack them in. This is about the end of the day. I've got to go and pick my delightful sons up, so I'm going to just leave it at this. I was going to put the floor rails in today, but I figure I haven't fully welded around the bottom corners yet, so I'm going to clean those up, re-weld them, and then 4 corners and 2 floor rails through the middle. In what will be the ceiling or the roof of the container, I've put a 25-25 through to brace it. That sits 3 mil higher than every other bit of steel up there. That'll give the roof sheet just that little bit of bend, just enough that it doesn't puddle in the middle, I hope. So I've got 3 of them in. I've got all of these in. These will be where the sheets screw or pop rivet into. I'm not sure what I'm going to do here. Maybe put a central rail, because if you're in there you might want to put shelves in or something. Haven't decided all those details yet, but it's been a relatively successful day. I bought $700 worth of steel yesterday. I've nearly used it all already. So that's how successful today has been.